So yeah guys, let's play Brain Rot Evolution. Psych! I'm not playing that. So we're gonna play. Oh, wait. Let's play. Wait. What could we actually play? Oh yeah, let's play Evade. Evade is not that my favorite, but yeah, I actually play this game. Want to rather I old. I'm gonna launch in the game. Bro, the loading screen is slow. Holy moly! Like this. Oh, yes. It suddenly stopped. That means in mobile, yeah, it's gonna go. Bruh. Holy lag. What the heck is happening to my phone? There you go. So evade is a gate that you run from these bars. Bars. One of them is Filipino, one of them is VOVO, but I'm not telling everyone. But join game. Holy moly. Here is my account. Look at this. This is for emos. Emos only. But I don't know how to do this easily. Whoa. Yeah, boy.
I'm Alex Vance.
Oh no, I hear a bot.
I'm Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa. Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa.
Yo. No. Ayo.
I'm Alex Vance.
Ayo, chill.
I'm Alex Vance.
Ayo, chill.
My father worked with you back in Black Mesa.
Ayo, chill. We can talk about this. Yeah, he's dead. I'm not playing. Ayo, chill. The monsters are here right now. Dang, right? That's fine! Deo, I can talk about this thing. Deo. What the heck? What? What in the frick, Diggy? Holy. My game please is so off. Let's go! No, I didn't carry him. No!
Why are you locking the bathroom?
Terminator. Why are there Terminators? Let's go. Let's go. He survived. No! I'm past. So I'm gonna show you my stats real quick, or my inventory. Here's my inventory, guys. Light slot, of course. Lantern. I don't have any of these, but I have this. Characters. I have this. Summer jar, which is pretty good. And Sickling Eclipse Cola. Yeah, don't tell me how. Next is all of my emails. Lang. So, that's it, guys. Bye.